Hey guys, it's Meg and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've recently been gifted some really lovely stationery from Stationery Pal, and as you're all obsessed with stationery as I am, I thought I would do you a little haul. So let's just get into it. So before we start, I just want to take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this box is. Like, it's just stunning. Look how cute it is. It's so summery with all the flowers, and inside it says thank you on it. It's just so cute and like, yeah, just really nice to open. In this box is actually a collection of 2 boxes that I've been gifted. I've just collated them into one box for the sake of the video. So I have taken out all of the nice stuffing that came in the box, but it was beautiful and it smelled really, really nice. So that was amazing. As I said, this has all been gifted to me from Stationery Pal, and I do have an affiliate link if you're interested in anything in this video. So I'll leave that down in the description, and I will be showing you all the stationery in detail in a minute, but I just wanted to point out all the cute little extras that Stationery Pal put into their orders. I just think it's so cute, like random but adorable, and yeah, they're really, really sweet. Look, the little pin, so cute. So that just makes the whole experience of unboxing so much more fun, because there's little random bits that you didn't expect to get in there. So I'm going to move the box to one side and I can start showing you through all the amazing stationery that I've got in this box. So I'm going to start off by showing you through some of the packs that I've got here of the uni-ball 1 pens, and I just love this kind of pen, so I'll give you a little demo of that in a minute. But just to highlight that Stationery Pal stocks so many brands that we know and love in the Bujo community, so I was of course drawn to quite a few of the most popular brands, and I'm just going to show you through some of these really adorable sets that I've got. So firstly, we've got this one, which if you know my channel, you're probably not surprised. These are kind of pastel. They're called Pop Color, and I just think they're so cute in the little packaging. And let me open those up. So they come on this little bit of cardboard so that it keeps them all together looking nice. And take those off there. And these are the colours that we've got from this set. So there's a really nice yellow, a kind of turquoisey green, a pink one and a blue one. And these, if you can see, are all 0.38 at the nib, so they're quite a fine tip. They don't look fine right now because they've got the little safety top on it. Yeah, they're quite a fine point, which I love for writing in my bullet journal with. And with each of the pens, I will do a little test for you so you can see how they write out on the page, and you can see the color and all of that good stuff. So the next set that we've got is this limited edition fruit tea color, which I didn't really know what to expect by fruit tea, but also how cool is this packaging? It folds up like that, and then you open these bits and the pens are there. I just thought that was really cool. I don't know if that's a normal thing to see in a pen pack, but any kind of exciting packaging just makes the whole experience way more fun, I think. So we love that. So these are the pens in this set, and this is, although it's a white pen, it's actually a black ink in this one. Then we've got a purple, a nice, I guess like grape purple, which may be where the fruit tea comes from, a blue, but it is actually a different blue to the other one, so I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, one's a slightly darker blue than the other. And then we've got another pink, I guess like a raspberry pink, fruit inspired, is not surprising after the name of the pen set. And again, it's slightly different to the previous ones. So I'm very excited to use those. These are also 0.38. because I think that is my favourite size to write with. And whilst I quickly show you how those pens look on the paper, I just wanted to let you know that I am actually hosting a giveaway with Stationery Pal over on my TikTok, so I'll link that down in the description, and go and check that out and maybe enter if you want to be in with a chance of winning one of their back to school stationery sets. So the next set of the uni-ball ones are this American Diner. I just thought that was such a cute little packaging, cute name. I just think they've gone all out with the branding and I love it. So these are the colours in this set. So we've got a mint green kind of colour, We've got a navy blue, which is nice because I've got kind of brighter colours over there. And then we've got a red, which I haven't got yet. So that is also ideal, a little bit of variety. And we've got these in the 0.5 so that I could just have a little bit of a difference and we can see which one I prefer. So I'll probably use the 0.38s for writing in my bullet journal and the 0.5s maybe for fine lining, outlining doodles, that sort of thing. But we'll see. So let me know which of these sets was your favourite. We've got the pop, we've got, I've not packaged it up nicely again, but the fruit tea, and we've got the American diner. So let me know which ones you would be putting in your basket and we'll move along. So next up, I'm going to show you these little sets of washi tapes, and they came in these really pretty boxes. Like, look at the illustrations on the side. So lovely, and they come with the little top on so it keeps them all nice. And this set is like a fruity set with strawberries and I think watermelons maybe? But I just love how they come in this set, so you get a mixture of the thicker tapes and the little tiny thin tapes. So let me get some of those out for you. Make that all of them. But I just love the little pretty summer designs. We've got a lot of pinks and yellows, and yeah, like I said, it's just nice to have a variety of different widths of tapes. Yeah, I really love those little sets, and they just come in such pretty packaging, which I think you can kind of tell I'm very easily swayed by the packaging. And then we have got this blue set because I thought we should change it up, have some slightly different colours. Again, really pretty design on the box, and we've got all of these beautiful designs. I think they're like an underwater and also space design. Like, we've got whales, but we've also got planets, and I'm here for it. So I love these. Again, it's nice to have such a good variety of the washi tapes because then you can sometimes base your bullet journal themes around the washi tape designs that can then inspire you to create the spreads. Speaking of washi tapes, I did also pick up a washi tape dispenser, which is just so useful to have so that whichever tapes you are using at the current time, you can put them into your little dispenser and have it sitting on your desk for the current bullet journal theme. I will show you how it works because there's more washi tapes in this set. Don't you worry, we aren't done with the washi tapes. So you literally take out this little bit. I love these gingham washi tapes, and I got them in loads of different colours. Look at this one matching my nails. Love that. But yeah, you just put those in the middle and you feed this back through. And there they are. And you can pull the tape out and cut it on the edge there. It's not as easy when you're holding it in midair, but yeah, I just thought that would be so useful, and kind of want to upgrade my desk a little bit, so I thought this could be a nice addition. So now we've got a few little extras just for fun. These are some little sticky notes, and I guess they're kind of like the Pantone postcards that you can get, which I love. And of course I went with the pink and purple range, but they come in loads of different colour ranges, so if you're into your blues or oranges or something, there'll be one on there that you will like. Then we got this, which looks like quite a cool little contraption. It is from Tombow and it's a correction tape. So you fold down that bit and you've got your whiteout tape there for any mistakes, which I always make. So I thought this would be a perfect purchase. And finally, another little Tombow is this rubber, just because they're always handy, and I love the colour of this packaging. As you can see, I'm having a bit of an orange and peach moment right now, so I just thought it was pretty. So, of course, I added that in as well. Onto the zebra pens. These are the mildliners, which for so long I thought were midliners, so well done me. Previously, I'd only really known of their highlighters. I didn't actually realise they did so many other types of pens, so this was a really fun find on Stationery Pal. But these are brush pens, as you can see by the little image on there. And I went with this kind of bright colour range just because I thought it's got a good variety of colours that I personally might use. And here's an example of how it looks. It looks like a really nice brush tip, and here I'm just going to try out how it writes on paper, writing hello probably, and yeah, I'm excited to add these to my brush pen collection. Back to the washi tapes. I forgot to show you this one earlier, but I saw this one as just a standalone. It didn't come in a set or anything, but I thought it was so pretty. It's clear with gold constellations on, and I just thought that's something that could really come in useful in so many different ways. Obviously you could have a bullet journal spread, but even just to decorate a planner or something, so pretty. So I love that one. Okay, so we're on to some of the single pens that I picked up. So that's something I really love about Stationery Pal. You can obviously buy things in packets and sets and get all the colour ranges, but equally if there's just a single pen that you quite like the look of, or just one colour that you want, you can also buy them all individually as well, which is really cool. So I will talk you through some of my individual pen purchases, but just before we do, I will show you these two. This one is a water brush pen. So this little section, you unscrew it, fill it with water, and then you can use it for blending colours together, which I thought was just really cool. Previously, when I've wanted to do that, I've had to use a paintbrush, and this I just think will give me a little bit more control and help with the blending. So can't wait to try that one out. And I also picked up a Tombow monograph pencil. So it's a mechanical pencil, as you can see, and this is really smooth. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it's so nice to hold and write with and draw with. So I thought with all of the pencil work I do in my journals, this would be a really good addition to my collection. So onto the individual pens, and as I said, all of this stuff came from 2 different orders. So in my first order I got this Zebra Blen, it's called. It's a really aesthetic, like minimalist pen, but it writes so nicely, and as soon as I got it and tried it out, I knew I needed to get a few more. So in my next order I picked up one in black and one in this light grey. Yeah, they're just really nice to write with, really aesthetic. These are 0.5 tipped pens, but yeah, just aesthetic, minimalist, and love how they write. Then we've got a random uni-ball one. This is in a yellow barrel, but the ink is black, and I actually picked this one up for my mum. She is a teacher and yellow is her favourite colour, so this one's for her. But again, I'm obsessed with the uni-ball one, so that's the one I recommended to her. Next we've got the Zebra Blen pens again, just like I had in the white, black and grey, but these are 3 colours. So you've got blue, red, and I believe that is black. So I just loved how these come. These are so useful if you're traveling anywhere and you want to do a little bit of bullet journaling or doodling, to just have a few different colours in a single pen. I thought this would be a very useful purchase, and I also decided to get one with the 0.5mm nib and one with the 0.7. So those are very cute. Then a bit of a random, I got a Pentel Energel. I've used these pens before and love how they write, and I just loved the fact that this was purple. So I thought brand colours, making it's purple and everything, this would be a fun one to add to the collection. And finally, for the single pens, we've got a Jelly Roll white gel pen. These are pretty famous in the bullet journal community. Everyone seems to have one, and I didn't have one, so I thought I've got to jump on that bandwagon at some point and get myself one, because I always use a white gel pen, sometimes for whiteout to correct any mistakes, but also for highlighting things, like if you do nice lettering and you want highlights on it to make them pop a little bit more, then this is what that will be for. I nearly forgot, I've also got one last single pen, and this is the Tombow fudenosuke. I have no idea how you pronounce that, so I'm really sorry if I said that wrong. Probably did, but it is the Tombow brush pen with quite a hard nib, so that it's more for calligraphy type hand lettering. And again, just something that a lot of people use. I normally use the Pentel brush pens for my hand lettering and stuff like that, but I just thought it would be nice to try out a different brand and see what the hype's all about. Okay, penultimate one. This is the uni-ball emott. And again, the packaging is exquisite. I mean, look, and it comes in this so that you can have it sitting on your desk. I was just obsessed with that. I thought that was so nice. Whoa. I don't know if you just saw that flash, but that was lightning, so there we go. But I went with the 0.4 because, again, I think with handwriting, Okay, I'm not sure if the microphone's going to pick up the thunder that's happening right now. Yeah, sorry if you can hear that rumbling in the background. Yeah, so I decided to get the 0.4. I just quite like a thin tipped nib. I have got a bit of a variety. I've got some 0.5, some 0.7 that I've picked up from Stationery Pal. So with this, I thought I would go back to my roots and get a smaller tipped pen. One, I love the colour set. These are the colours in case anyone is interested. These are all included in this set. I have to say that I was most drawn to this purple. Again, the Meg Notes purple. But yeah, they write really nicely, and I think these will be so fun to include in a bullet journal spread, and maybe if I start writing in my bullet journal in some different colours, that could be really fun. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. We love a minimalist aesthetic pen. And last but not least, I mean definitely not least, I think these are my favourite of them all, that's why I wanted to leave them to the end, but these are the Zebra Pen ClickArts, and I'd actually seen these on their social media and DM'd them like, where can I get these, because I'm obsessed, and they said they weren't available yet. So when I saw these on Stationery Pal a little while later, I was obviously straight on those. I firstly got them in this set, which I don't know what LT stands for, but I'm guessing something like lighter, but they're basically the more pastel colour range, which is my go-to. I then tried them out and loved them even more than I thought I would. So on my next order from Stationery Pal, I got the standard colour range as well, which is the primary colours, standard colours. They are basically a clickable pen, but the pen is a felt tip pen. And yeah, this was just one of those pens that doesn't happen very often, but I'm just like really excited to try out. So these definitely did not disappoint. I'm so happy with them. Who knows, maybe I'll be going back for some more in my next Stationery Pal order. So that is it for my Stationery Pal huge haul. Let me know which of these is your favourite. Are you into the pens? Is there a certain brand you like? Are you more of a washi tape kind of person? Also, don't forget to check out my TikTok if you are interested in entering the back to school giveaway that I'm hosting over there with Stationery Pal. Huge thank you to them for gifting me with all of these things. Don't forget to check out Stationery Pal down below, and you can use my affiliate link. This means I earn a tiny little commission at no extra cost to you, and my link actually gets you a discount, so win-win all around. But thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I next upload, and I'll see you in the next one.